Good morning, students. And today we are taking up the story that is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. And here we are going to do the question and answer working with a text. With the text, why did the king want no more talk about the Hills of Fish? The king did not want no more talk about Hilsa Fish because even his courtiers were only talking about Hilsa Fish, and due to this, he was totally fed up and bored. That's why he wanted no more talk about Hilsa Fish. Second one, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to prove his cleverness, to prove his intelligence by stopping people merely for 5 minutes not to talk about Hilsa Fish. Third one, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa Fish? The three things Gopal did before buying Hilsa Fish were: firstly, he half shaved his beards. Second one, he wore tattered torn clothes. And third one, he smeared all his body ashes. These are the very three things that he did before buying the Hilsa Fish. Fourth one, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the Hilsa Fish? First of all, when he reached the palace, the guards did not allow him because they thought that he is a madman. After that, he started singing and dancing, and after that, he got entry in the kingdom to meet the king. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Obviously, the people did not talk about the Hilsa fish that was in the hand of Gopal because, more than that, the dress of Gopal was attractive. So all the people were very much fascinated, attracted towards the very comical dress of Gopal. That's why the people forgot about the Hilsa fish and they only talked about Gopal, his dress, the very comical dress. That's the reason. Next one is, the king lost his temper easily. Yes, the king lost his temper easily because he heard only Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish, even in his court, by his courtiers, the people in his kingdom, everywhere. That's why he lost his temper. Gopal was a madman? No, not at all. Gopal was not a madman. He made himself mad because he wanted that the people should stop talking about Hilsa fish. That's why he made himself like a mad to prove his intelligence. Gopal was a clever man. Yes, he was a clever man because he shows his intelligence. That's why we can say he was a clever man. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes, not at all. He applied such rags, such tattered clothes, because he wanted to prove his intelligence and show himself a very comical person. That's why he did so. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong? Not at all. At last, the king becomes happy and is very proud of Gopal, that there is a very intelligent person in his court. Now here is the very reported speech you have to do, students, that I have done here. You can write with this help. Last one, in the very second question you can see that find out the meaning of the following words by looking up in the dictionary, then use them in sentences of your own. Here what you have to do is that first of all you have to find out the meaning of these sentences, synonym, that we say similar words. यानी चैलेंज यहाँ पे दे दिया है, तो आपको देखना है डिक्शनरी में कि चैलेंज का सिमिलर वर्ड्स क्या है, एंड विद दैट very similar words you have to form a sentence. So here 5 words are given and you have to make 5 sentences. Thank you.